Ready to declutter your Windows 11 PC? I'll guide you on how to uninstall apps. Stay tuned for a quick and easy way to free up space and optimize your system. Click on the search icon and look for the app you want to remove. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Press the Windows key to open the search box on your taskbar. Type Settings in the box. Click on the first result to open the Settings menu. Navigate to the Apps section on the left pane. Now you will be able to see a list of all the apps and programs that are installed on your PC. Choose the app you want to remove and click on the three dots next to it. A menu with options will open. You will be able to choose between Modify and Uninstall. Select Uninstall. Wait for the removal process to complete. This can take a few moments. Click on Start, type in Control Panel, and launch it. Go to Programs. Under Programs and Features, click on Uninstall a program. As in the previous solution, go to the program you want to remove, right-click on it, and select Uninstall. Click on the search icon, type PowerShell, and click on Run as Administrator to launch it. Enter the following command line to remove all apps at once. Wait for the process to finish and restart UPC. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.